What happened? You poop?
No, I'm pooping.
You pooping? Holy f. What happened?
In my house.
Why was that all over the floor?
It's all the road cheese and that fell on the floor, all my empty butts. And dirt and dust that I just swept off that rug.
Holy shnikes. You do the old credit card tech?
Yep.
Nice. Just keeping her all spickins and spansins?
I'm trying.
Plain friggin' tractor, boys. Holy suffering.
Put a jump in yours and go follow him.
Oh, racing. Big pass, boys. 0 f***s, eh? That's great. Just did the big f***ing pass, relentless. Oh, no wonder I couldn't find it. Because I like to hide things on myself. 48, son of a f***. I'm gonna have to make multiple pieces. Probably easier anyway. Holy shit, this one's even longer. 54, 48 and 54. Uh-oh. You getting all dolled up?
Yeah, aren't I though? Listen, do you put air in tires?
I can.
You can? Will you do that for me? And then, do you sell new tires?
Not new ones, no.
Just used ones?
Yeah.
I was looking for comfortable. How much?
50 cents.
Oh, there's $2.
Right on, thanks.
Thank you.
You 50 cents under my pillow. Holy. Let's wreck it. Come on, let me wreck it. What do you mean? Come on, I'm gonna wreck it right now.
Bosses, he just had the guy just worked on it, got it all running again.
Oh yeah?
Thing's fast.
Nice. Should let Dickie take a rip on it. Eh?
No, I just come to see if you might have a helmet that would fit
I
my
got
squad.
all kinds of helmets.
I got 3 helmets and none of them fit me.
It's because you got a great big bowling ball.
Yeah.
It's like me.
Where? Probably down in the shipping container filled with mice. You want a mouse one? You want mouse or like a Mao? Or
Better.
Mao?
That would be better.
Mao, yeah. Give him the Wampaka.com helmet.
Sweet. I don't know if that'll fit my squad either.
Jam it on there.
Oh.
If you need help, I can give you a hand.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Just cram it right on. Perfect fit.
Yeah, that'll work.
Perfect.
I was letting him drive, so I figured I probably should have.
Yeah, have a bucket on the old dome there. See if it'll just light. Holy. That thing goes.
Oh yeah. Sun.
Just a beautiful stay out in Inwood. Scorsese. COVID-19. COVID-19. Careful. Holy. It's 50 through here, eh, bud? I apologize. I hate being that guy, but...
Claims I have my high beams on, but how do you even tell? Like, what the fuck was on? Like, even if I have my high beams on.
Look at that, dude.
Yeah, it's mad. That was like all the way in. Oh, that's great, eh? Oh, fucking.
Wow.
Yeah. Because I had to go to my doctor's.
So there was no pad in there at all?
No.
Where'd the pad go?
I ate it out. I didn't give a f. I had to go to my doctor's appointment, dude. That's why they sabotage my cars. They do it whenever I gotta see something from my back, dude. Boom, fuck. That's what I'm saying, man. The cops are all in on it too. It's the government. They don't want to pay me out. Why would they? They told me to go f myself, right? They want me crippled, right?
Lord,
Then they go
holy
fuck
shit. Wow.
Yeah.
And they don't want to put you on medication.
Yes, son.
Wow. That's responsible, eh? Here, where's all those tickets? You got the tickets?
Yeah.
How many of them you're paying?
None of them.
You're not going to pay any. Let me see them all.
File
and this
them
is all
all.
because you come to Pug Ones.
Yeah.
Eh?
Just get bummed.
Eh?
This one.
What's that one? Failure to have any
Driver's
common
license.
sense whatsoever.
So that was for the
Yep.
stolen driver's license.
No common sense. Perfect. That
What do you
suits
mean?
you. What do you mean? Who doesn't have
was trying
who
to
drives
permit
around without
'cause
the
they took-
license?
Oh, they took. I didn't know it was missing till the night before.
Oh, good grief! But you knew, right?
Yeah,
You
I was
knew.
supposed to go drive the dumbass and just pick it up.
Well, how many's that now? How many you got
This
now?
is the one from today. This is 4 in total. Items, cheap. Just file it yourself, represent yourself. Bringing in your evidence, because if you get a lawyer, they work with the Crown and they're scumbag f***ing pieces of shit. So if you just don't get a lawyer, get them to at least just file it and then represent yourself, bring in what you got, then nothing's gonna get covered up, because that's what they like, eh? Is easy money. They just fucking.
Boom faction anagoitery.
Yeah.
Oh, cigarettes, boys. I got myself a package. I got myself a little package. We're going to be growing the jasmine cigarettes. Hey, we got the jasmine seeds, 50 jasmine seeds, boys. If anybody's interested, we're going to have the jasmine. Eh? I apologize.
Don't let the watchers get you.